Hey, Mary Love here with Love the Green Real Estate Consulting Firm. And I was doing a comprehensive market analysis, a CMA, for one of my clients who was thinking about listing his house. And it occurred to me how important location is. You always hear in real estate, location, location, location. And it's true. The same exact house sitting with an Asheville city address, can be several $1,000s difference if it had Candler address. So we have a tool. I'm going to do a share screen. All right. Have a tool that I thought would be informative for everyone to look at this and see the difference with location. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to compare apples to apples. We're going to go for 3 bedrooms. And we're going to look for resales, not new construction. We're going to look for traditional sales, single family homes, and we are going to, let me look, there's a little bit more that I can do over here. Got to move my picture off of it. Square footage, we're going to go from 1,001 to 2,000. These are averages that we're going to look at. And acreage, we're going to go to, we're going to leave acreage because since we're going to look at the difference between like Asheville, Black Mountain, Candler, the acreage is really different in that too. Okay, so now we've got to find, we go over here to select the area, and we are going to look at city. I'm going to look for the city of Asheville. City of Asheville, and see what the median sales price was in Asheville and compare it to 2018 and 2019. So, whoops. So for the median sale price for May is what we're looking at so far. It is right here, is 314.5. That's inside the city limits of Asheville for a 3-2 traditional resale single family home between 1,000 and 2,000 square feet. As you can see, the prices are going up significantly, even with a pandemic and our protesting, which we'll talk about in another video. Last year in May, it was the same type of house was $275, and oddly in 2018 it was $285. So I'm not sure what happened with that. I'd have to research more. But what we're doing today, 314.5, we're going to compare locations. So that's Asheville City. So now let's look at the Alexander. Buncombe County has, we're going to look at all these different township cities are going to be inside Buncombe County. So same type of house, but it's outside the city limits of Asheville. It's out in the country, and it's $260.45. So huge difference of price point between the 315 and the 260. So that's Alexander. All of these are still approximately 25-30 minutes at the most from downtown Asheville. Okay, Arden's in there, Buncombe County. Arden has dropped a lot on these 3-2s. What's not taken into account on this is some of the lot sizes in Arden have been like slashed in half, and the prices have gone down in Arden in general because of the smaller lot sizes than what they were. Let's find Black Mountain. Okay. All right, Black Mountain. Black Mountain is really interesting to see this. The prices have gone down significantly from last year to this year in May. I wonder if that is actually the pandemic that's affecting it. We'll do some more research on that. If anybody wants me to do a little more research on Black Mountain to see what's going on with that, just email me and let me know after you see the videos and all. Okay, let's look at Swannanoa, because this was where I was doing my comps. And I was actually a little surprised that they were as low as they were for this particular area. So Swannanoa is also in Buncombe County. It's between Black Mountain and Asheville. It does have more of a country feel. There are not sidewalks in Swannanoa for the most part. Some little subdivisions in and of itself has sidewalks, but not really anywhere to walk to, like a downtown or anything in Swannanoa. Let's see. So the median home price in Swannanoa for a 3-2 is $230. So big difference, and it's gone down a little bit too. So just looking at this, what it looks like is that the city limits of Asheville, again, we continue to have a housing shortage there, so the prices just keep climbing. People want to live in the city area. Getting outside of the city limits, though, moving 20 to 30 minutes outside of Asheville City proper really makes a huge difference if you're buying. And if you have property over there and you're listing it, it's still going to be more than what you're still going to make a profit probably, because more than likely if you've held on it 2 to 5 years, you've seen increase. This is interesting with Swannanoa, and we see a little drop with this. This is on a monthly. Let's do a rolling period and or a year to date and see the difference. Still showing a drop. But if we were, okay, so this does tell us that the pandemic is affecting the areas outside of Asheville with the pricing to some degree. So because in 2019, the median price was $236, and in 2020 it's $235. So that's what's going on. Let's go back and check and see if that's what's going on with Black Mountain as well, which I have a feeling it is. Yeah. No, still seeing a bigger drop in Black Mountain. So we do need to do a little extra research on that if somebody wants me to. Okay. So these are just some of the tools that I have to help you either find the right property or to sell your property. We really want to compare apples to apples when we're looking at the best prices of properties. And it's all about location. Location. All right. If you have questions, thoughts, ideas, and you would like to give me a recommendation for another video to do about the Asheville real estate market, just shoot me an email and let me know. And have a good day. Be safe, be kind, and enjoy the weekend.